Hi guys, my name is Victoria and I'm glad to see you in Ventus Tutorials. Today I show you how to add or generate a new SSH key in Ventus Cloud Portal. It is quite easy and you only need to be attentive for a few minutes. So let's start and enjoy. To get to the SSH keys page, you need, on the main navigation panel, go to Cloud and choose SSH keys. Here you can find all added keys with their details area. As you can see, I don't have any keys created yet, but now we will fix it together. To add SSH key which has already been created, go to SSH keys page and click the plus button from at the bottom right of the screen. On the following page, fill in the next fields. Name. In this field you will set the name for the key. And as here only letters and numbers are accepted, in my case let it be just test. And the second field is key content, where I need to paste my public key. Here please note, before copying your public key from a text editor, it is recommended to save it as a single line text without empty spaces between characters and only then paste it in Ventus interface. So after filling the specified fields, I hit Save Key and this one SSH key will be added on my SSH keys page. Let's check. Yes, here it is. As you might have guessed, our interface also allows to generate a new SSH key. For this, you also need to go to the SSH keys page and click the plus button from at the bottom right of the screen. On the following page, create a name for a new SSH key, let it be test2, and hit generate key. On the next page, you can view following fields. Name. Here you can see the name you just came up with. Key content. In this field you can see the generated public key. And private key, where of course you will find the private key. And please be attentive here. You need to copy your private key as it won't be saved on the server. So at last I hit Save Key and the new generated SSH key will be added too. Now I have two SSH keys that are available and ready to use in connecting to Linux virtual machines. But if you suddenly need to edit your SSH key, you can also easily do this on the SSH keys page. Just click the icon for edit and you will be able to change the name and or key content. Let's try to edit key test. For example, I want to change its name and now let it be new test. To finish and save the changes, I press Save Key. So now I have two SSH keys, test2 and new test. It seems I have problems with originality, sorry, but Portal works clearly. Also here I can delete my SSH keys. To remove SSH key, I need to identify which one I don't need in the dashboard and click the icon for delete. So that's all for today. I hope you now understand how to work with SSH keys in Ventus Cloud Portal. Thank you for your attention.